Hey guys, uh, first I want to start with one thing by telling you after seeing this movie, I understood one thing what our Shifu want us to understand. Actually, he want us to understand is one thing that you can find inspiration in everything. Our Shifu is Mithun sir. Okay, uh, I saw this movie Kung Fu Panda. Everything is lovable in that. The Pooh, Shifu, the five team member, mentees, all those things. And even Tai Lung, I inspired something about him. And even Uguay. Okay, so the Kung Fu Panda, which was the movie, the animation movie, which was released in 2008, and the best character Pooh, what happened with him, how he struggled, how his short-term goal. Actually, he was having a long-term goal to become to learn kung fu, and he never knew that long-term goal is a short-term goal for him, and the long-term goal will be that I'll tell you later. You can say Dragon Warrior, but no. Yeah, the long term goal to become kung fu master or maybe learn kung fu, he struggled a lot. He went through the stairs as he was having a family business, which of a restaurant, which he can easily handle and he can give his best and he can do one thing, but still he followed his dream to become a kung fu master and he climbed the stairs. He went up. He never gave up. The first thing, and he just wanted to his dream to be fulfilled. So for that, peeping in from the door when the dragon they were choosing warrior and going through the rocket and landing inside, and the one incident, nothing, there is nothing called accident. Nothing called accident was the one word which was the best thing that I have heard. Okay, everything happens for a good. There is always a reason to happen something with you. Second thing, he believed in himself, though everyone at that place, and that remind me of someone. The same thing happened with that person as well. When everyone, even the Shifu, his master, disowned him, did not respect him, and don't even wanted him to learn. It was just by force or maybe the Uguay word. Because of him, they agree to deal with him. He was having a very childish nature. Pooh. Childish nature means you should always have, as I said you last time also, the craziness. So being child is also a part of craziness. So being, because that will keep your heart pure. So when you were born and you were a child, at that time your heart was pure, and that is a better way to learn. You can mold yourself and you can mold your mind to learn anything. You can grasp things easily. And second thing was the hunger. Though he was hungry for food always, that was his weakness, and you can say that was his selfishness, because there was an incident he break into kitchen, eating everything, not thinking of anyone, selfishness. But after that training with Shifu, he realized his hunger was not for food. His appetite was fulfilled with the training to become a Kung Fu master, and he became. Third thing, what inspired me was he believed him himself. He believed that he can become a Kung Fu master. Though he didn't believe at moment that he cannot be a dragon warrior when he got scared of Thailand and he thought to run away from there. But there was a Shifu, and there was a master, Mithun sir, the way he's pulling us to make the video and discover ourselves. The same thing Shifu did with him. So that was sorry sir. That was the thing what I observed was happening is happening with us. Fourth thing was there is no things called secret. standing in front of a mirror, discovering new yourself in every morning is the secret of all the success, or maybe secret to reach the goal. So after the training, though it was a short term goal for him, a long term goal for him, and then that small term goal turned out to be his long term goal, to become a dragon warrior. So it's a small thing, like we have a goal to become a manager, and some people have a goal to just clear rock and rap and show the best. And after that, maybe someone to leave, maybe someone to join some other business, maybe someone to just pursue their study, but they never know after becoming ASM they can become a manager as soon as possible. As depends on their ability and performance. And the long term goal, what he learned was skadoosh. Yes, guys, that was a secret weapon. Everyone have their own secret weapon. How they innovate the things, how they turn out their ability of learning into the best, and how they execute the things, and how eager they are, and how honest they are towards their goal. See, the honesty when it starts, the honesty towards the small term goal will lead you to a long term goal. And sometimes you don't even know that the long term goal is that and what you achieve. The same thing happened in this movie as well. And one more thing I have learned from the master Shifu, he believed in Pooh. And when Tai Lung was escaped, the teamwork I saw when the five mentees fought with them, the five warriors, the five masters fought with him. At that time, it shows the teamwork. Though they lost, but still it was their teamwork. But later, that teamwork came to empty the entire village. And the one more inspiration that I got was Tai Lung. Tai Lung was, though he was a great warrior, but the greediness towards achieving that power was wrong. That was something very wrong. And his heart was not pure, which was discovered by Oogway, and he did not got what he wants. Though he saw the mirror, he saw himself, but he didn't realize what he wanted. And who realized? So guys, believe in yourself, sacrifice your greed, your hunger for unwanted things, and see your ability, where your ability will take you. And the most important thing, secret lies in you. There is no other secret. There are a lot of things that you innovate. You do it for yourself. There's small things, like you work in store, you say a lot of things to the customer. We do a lot of things to get the sale done, and a lot of things to come on top. So that is the innovation that we do. The same thing we can do it for our goal also, how to reach the goal.